Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing today? Thank you for joining us here for the Bitcoin Squawk live, ladies and gentlemen, as we always are. We appreciate you coming out here, visiting us, taking a look at what's going on in this crazy market. We pushed up recently to 86.68. Now we're at 86. 35 bid offered at 45. So we are looking here. Bids at 86.38, offered 86.45. $86.39 bid offered at 45. $39 bid offered at 45. $39 bid offered here at 63. Wide market. Very wide market. But they are hitting the offer, so it looks like a bit of strength coming in. Trim now 86. 41 bid offered, now 86.55. Bid him now 86.63. They are pushing him up. They do push him up now. Trade now 86.63. Bid offered now at 86.64. $62 bid offered now 86.63. Trade him now 86.65. Trading now 86.55. Bid offered now at 63. Straight. $63. Now at the 63, 66 trading. 66 trades. 64 red offered 65. Trading now at 641 bid offered at 86.65. $64 bid. Shit. $86.42 bid offered now $86.56. God damn it. Oh man. Every time. Oh no. My fears are creeping in. Chopping it up.
This episode or tutorial will be just quickly showing you how to embed a static YouTube stream onto your website. Here to our form, anything like. So this is the embed code that you normally get off a YouTube video. However, I have added the static link for your for my channel. So whenever it goes to a live stream, it will automatically have the video that you're streaming to, and not the previous stream that you did when it's now video. So basically, what you want to do is you want to get your channel ID, which is this is mine here. You also want to go to YouTube to get this. Go to Creator Studio. I believe it's Creator. Settings. Advanced. And there's my channel ID right there.
Years of being here.
customer
You ought to know it.
so I did.
Years of being here.
Yeah. Anyway. Because it's changed since I last got it. But yeah, once you've done that, you can put your channel ID right here after channel equals. And if you really want to, you can press the Shift 7, which will give you an ampersand or and in programming language. Multiple different languages, single or double ampersands. And you can go autoplay equals 1 is true. So
She grew up in India town. She had to go look at Mama and I wasn't never around. Low 86 bid offered at 64. Oh God. That was good. Keep moving on. Keep moving on. Yeah. Keep moving on. She grew up in Indiana town. She had a great looking mom. Was never around. She grew up tall. She grew up fast. And then she had everything that she wanted. And then you know how it went from there. It was really, really, really good. Everything was really freaking good. If we don't have the separate files, we don't have anything. You know what I mean? Oh my God. She grew up in Indiana town with a good-looking mom who never was around. She grew up tall. She grew up fast. Everything she did came from the past. Hey up, Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to kill the pain. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to have you here today. I am very pleased to be here with Bitcoin Squawk. You know, we put a lot of work into this, and it's paid off. And the reason we say that at such a young age is you're hearing us now, and we appreciate it. It's great to be here with you at the Bitcoin Squawk. We do a few things, and just wanted to give you a little bit of an understanding as to what we provide here for customers. We provide unparalleled access to information, and we are experts at it. We've done it for a long time. You know, sure, we took a little bit of a break where we didn't necessarily go public with information, you know, but we were still reading, we were still researching, still getting ready to come back. And you know what? We have come back. And our performance has improved dramatically. Not only is our technology stronger, but our ability to utilize it excellent. Take, for instance, where you are right now. You could be on YouTube. You could be on our website. Either way, you are getting the same quality content in the most accessible means for you. If you come to our website, which we recommend, btcsquawk.com, you're able to see the live streaming audio, just as we are now, with commentary on the pricing, bids, offers. Right now, bid now 86.50, offer now 86.61. Pretty wide market here, ladies and gentlemen. We chop it up above 86.50. You're able to get this excellent commentary on the current market environment, which again is very choppy right now. 86.50 bid offered, now 86.64. Very choppy bid, about 14 points wide. You can't get this access to constant commentary from individuals that are very knowledgeable anywhere else. The people that have built this Bitcoin Squawk, of course I was the programmer, and obviously if you're hearing this now, I'm a very good programmer, but not to pat myself on the back. We've got a good partner, West. We came from an environment of trading. We were on the Chicago Board of Trade. Bitcoin will never see a trading floor, but we're familiar with how it operates, how markets operate. We've both traded futures. I've probably traded a little bit more than West, but he's an investor in Bitcoin. He doesn't need to trade. He just makes long-term investments. I personally build futures algorithms that trade derivatives on their own. And that has also helped me build this platform from a stronger standpoint. If you can program Java to execute Interactive Brokers API, you can probably program PHP and attach HTML video streaming to a web page. It's pretty simple. It's elementary. So we come from trading environment, and we take that skill and we bring it to you. And we are excited to do so. So you come to our website, btcsquawk.com. You access us from YouTube. You can always get a hold of us. You can email us at james@btcsquawk.com or west@btcsquawk.com. We answer questions. Now I want you to keep in mind, our website's holding this live streaming data, but also YouTube is. We encourage you to check that out. We're all over the web right now, and we're only going to get bigger. Another factor another tool that you receive from our website is a chat. It's a private chat that it only exists in the context of our website. But it also provides real-time news. So if you're just trying to kill some time on the weekend, want to read up about markets, it's a great place to get information. Bid now 86.41, a little bit of sell pressure. We got the offer now 86.47. They are pushing the Bitcoin down a bit. At a little bit of support, 86.40. Then below there, you're looking around 8600. That's the next major support trading right now at a bid 86.39.5. We are looking for the past hour and a half. This 86.39 level has been a big target. They've tried to get above it. They've tried to be below it. 86 even held a support, even though they did sell through it for about 15 points, but they quickly recovered. Bidding right now 86.39. We're going to be seeing this 86.39 quite frequently here. So you have the free streaming audio, you have the live streaming news, and we offer also special packages that once you subscribe, you ultimately have to provide your email address. But once you subscribe, if you like this free streaming audio that you're hearing right now, 86.48 bid off from now 86.48.90, very tight market. 86.39 bid off from now 86.43. So little tight chop here around 86.40 to up to 86.60. It does look like some sell pressure is taking place right now. As long as they're below 86.50, the sellers kind of have the grips right now. 86.37 offer. Bidding right now 86.28. Wow, they drop it. They're dropping it a little bit. So again, if you like this commentary, play by play, it doesn't get any more intimate with the market. We see every tick, we see every offer, every bid. Some of them are more important than others. But as we just mentioned, we were getting a little offer. We saw that 49 offer come down to 47. then to 39, and look where we just printed the bid, 86.29. It's relevant. We just saw one contract bidding at 29. Other than that, it's a pretty thin market. If you like this kind of style, if you like understanding what's going on in the markets, then we are for you, and we encourage you to subscribe. We have the weekly, we have the monthly, we have the bi-monthly. When you subscribe, you provide your email address, and shortly thereafter you will receive a welcome package that includes all of the special tools that you'll be provided. First and foremost, you have priority access to communicate with the co-founders of Bitcoin Squawk, who are very well seasoned in the trading industry. 86.52 bid, recovering quickly here. 86.52 offer now. 86.31 bid. This is a very wide market. You'll receive also special attention from the co-founders. If you need to reach out via email, you'll have priority response. If you need a response from telephone, we can also give you some guidance through telephone. 86.29 bid offer now at 86.30. In addition to that, you'll receive special email content. Trading now 86.30 bid offered now 86.39. So we encourage you to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. You will not be upset. If you're enjoying the squawk as is right now, we encourage you. Do go down, scroll down on the website. I can even give you a little bit of a sample. Market's kind of choppy. btcsquawk.com. You open it up. There's the real-time quote. You click free video, takes you to that. Click free news, takes you to that. There's the chat, you can log in. You get information fast here. We have some images, we have some videos. Here's the subscription. When you subscribe, you will click subscribe. 20 a week, 75 a month, $1.50 2 months. Those prices are about to go up, ladies and gentlemen. Our software is exceptional. Our communication skills are exceptional. But for this holiday, we are running a bit of a special right now. $20 a week. You'll log in, or if you don't want to, you can hit credit card, debit card. Right there, when you come in, and make sure that you fill out your email address. You must fill out your email and phone number, and this is for your benefit. This is how we're going to be able to contact you with the premium content. We do it all through email. Everything you see on the website is ultimately free. All of the premium content is private communication straight to you. So again, this is a great opportunity for everyone. It's a good opportunity for us to be rewarded for the content we provide you. Bidding right now 86.50, offered now 86.61, bidding now 61, offered 61.90. Ladies and gentlemen, they're tightening the market up. They're getting a little bit of bid. Big resistance at this 86.70 level. So it's a great opportunity for us to be rewarded for the content we provide to you. It takes time to build this. It takes time to pay the broadcasters, ladies and gentlemen. We're bidding now 86.33, offered now 86.58 for 0.49. It takes time to do everything. We have to get logos made. We've got to do, Fiverr publications. We do, SEO articles. Everything costs money. West is shipping us headphones. He's going to be sending broadcasters headphones to different countries. It all costs money, ladies and gentlemen. If you like the service, you can try it for free as much as you want. But if you really are going to want intimate communications with us, we do ask you to subscribe. It's very affordable at this time. 86.34 bid offered now at 86.57. 86.34 bid offered now 86.57. 86.34 bid offered 57. Chopping them up right here below 86.60. Wide market. Look how wide this is. You got the bid down here at 33, offered up at 57. It's a choppy market, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful. It's Saturday. Bidding now at 34, offered now 86.50. Bidding now 86.34, offered now 86.50. 34 bid offered at 50. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen, in a big way. Chopping it up. 33 bid offered now at 50. 34 bid offered at 50. 50 bid. Whoa. 62 offered. big pop there. Bids back to 34. So, you know, some of the news that we're having come through. America crude oil output exports rise in Mexico during the month of October. Let's take a look here. We do see Moody's places SAS on rating review for downgrade. Bidding right now 35, offered now 86.59. Bid them now 36, offered at 59. Bitcoin exchanges drawing warnings. Let's take a look at some of those headlines. Moody's Investor Service today placed the BAA3, this is according to FIN24.com, long-term issue and senior unsecured bond ratings of Government of South Africa on review for downgrade. Just pointing that out to you. Another large Bitcoin exchange draws warnings, ladies and gentlemen. Not surprised. Square, the fast-growing payment company run by Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey, began selling Bitcoins to ordinary customers, and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange will allow some banks to trade on the value of Bitcoin. But Bitfinex having some issues, it looks like. It's officially incorporated in the British Virgin Islands. It's been fined by regulators in the United States and cut off by U.S. banks. Lost millions of dollars of customer money in 2 separate hacks. So, Tuesday, another currency came out known as Tether. It was owned and operated by same people's Bitfinex. Announced it had been hacked and lost around 30 million. Bunch of garbage, ladies and gentlemen. One of the reasons I really don't care too much for these other coins. Just wait till CME Group comes around, ladies and gentlemen. That's really the best thing. Really tight market now. 38 bid, offered him now at 38.94. So pretty much the same exact price. Bidding now 30s. A little bit of slipping down here. Again, the next major support's at 86 even level. So again, this is all great content that we get from our website, straight from btcsquawk.com. Trade now 30 bid, offered at 38. Getting a little sell pressure here. Let's look here. Got talkmarkets.com here. An article of very little importance that we're not going to look at. Bid now 31, offered now at 37. Yeah, I wouldn't really ever trade any Bitcoins personally, other than if a customer asked me to. Which they have, so maybe we'll get some of that going on. Oops. But ladies and gentlemen, we are back up this 86.58 offer, bidding out 33. Bid him now 35, offered now 59. Choppy market, be careful. Don't even mess with it. Just take a break. Nothing to do here with the Bitcoin right now. 36 bid, offered 59. Oh, 36 bid, offered 59. Chopping it up. Nothing to do. It's a Saturday. Look at that chart. It's a complete mess. You might want to pick them up around 8,600 if they slip down there again, but other than that, careful. 86.70 has been some good resistance. Bid now 86.38, offered now at 86.60. Look how wide this market is right now. It's huge. 22-point bid offer spread. What are you going to do with that? You're going to buy the 60s and sell the 38s? That's a terrible idea. Lose 20 bucks off the bat. 39 bid offer 59. We are bidding now 59. They tighten it up a little bit up here. One lot, it's 40 bid. Not much depth though in these bids. 0.9 here at 56 bid. Not much action. Let's see if they fill it up a little bit. They bring a couple partials up to 50, so maybe they are trying to tighten it up. You know, if they can get through the 70 level, we might actually make it all the way up to 8,700 here. That's really the next objective through this 8670 level. Alright, you got 50 lots offered at 86.69. That is huge. If they get through that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to 8,700. It's pretty much as good as a fact at this point. Trade now 80. Oh my god, look at that. We just got up there, 86.68 bid. They are pushing. If they get through that 69.50 lot, it's game over for the sellers. They got 30. They're down to 25. They've taken out 25 of them. They have 24 left at the 69. They are eating these things up right now. So you can see it right here. 86.69 was the offer. There were 50. There's only 22 left. Now 21. I mean, they're just eating. They're stuck at this 86.69 level. There's okay. Look at that. There's 21 at the 69 even. There's 2 at 86.68.9. Okay. Now they took that out. Now there's 21 at 86.69. They're battling. They have to take out those 21 lots. Someone's trying to sell 50 total. They're getting, so far they've worked through 30 of them or so. Basically 29 and some change to be more precise. But that's what's holding the market down right now, is that 21 lot at 86.69. You know, this is just some of the analysis you get. Some people do not understand how to read depth of market. And that's why they're not broadcasting right now. They don't understand the importance of 50 lots being at 86.69. And then when they get up there, it dwindles. It's the market that is the only thing that matters, is the depth of the price. Until they get through those 21 lots, we're not going any higher. It's that simple. If you want to try and sell right now, go ahead. You got 21 lots that are protecting you. But if they get through that, it's going to be a nightmare for the sellers. We got 2 lots stepping there at the 68.99. We got the resistance at 69 even, 21 lots. I don't know why someone's trying to sell that 69 level 20 times, but you know, you do 20 times 8,000 or so, and that gives you the price of 160,000 that's left at that 86.69. Initially, it was about $250,000 worth of bitcoins. That's a lot of money, ladies and gentlemen, especially in this market, which is pretty small. You know, you can say, sure, it's 100 billion. That's nothing compared to the S&P. They do $1 trillion a day. All right, so we're trading now 86.68 offer. All right, we're trading now with a bid at 58. They're not getting through that 21 lot. That's why we look at the depth of market, ladies and gentlemen. You can't get through the 69, you're not going anywhere. They're going to actually push it down a little bit, probably, if anything else. That's why I said if you're going to try and sell, you got that 21 protecting you. Right now, we're bidding at 86.58 offer now. There's that 21 back in play, 86.68.89. They got 2 lots being offered there right now. Bid now 86.58, offer now 86.58.22. That 58.22. Bid now 86.58, offer now 86.58.17. Look, I mean, they're all from now. Look at that. They got the bid at 35. They couldn't take out the 21 lots at 69, and they sell them. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now they're offering them here. They got some coming in at 58. Now it's 3 lots. Now it's 2 lots. So, you know, there's still some buyers, don't get me wrong, but they couldn't get through that 21 lot at 69. Now there's 7 there at 66. So you're just getting more sellers. They're saying, oh, wow, we couldn't get through that. Time to put a bit of an offer in. And that's exactly what we talked about. So that's why we're here for you, ladies and gentlemen. It is 3:44 p.m. Eastern Time. My name is James Shelton here with Bitcoin Squawk. My partner, co-founder, is West Odell. We are running the show now, ladies and gentlemen. We are the exclusive source for information on Bitcoin and there's no one else that will do it better. We could do it with other markets, but we're just doing it with this one because it's the youngest. Could we quote the S&P if we wanted? Yeah. Could we do grains if we wanted? Yep. Could we do currencies if we wanted? We are. Bitcoin currencies, US dollars, British pounds, euros, francs, yens, Australian dollars, the loonie. You know what I'm talking about, Canada. You are loonie. 86.69 offer still holding there. 21 contracts are offered there. Overall, we're higher 0.5% of the day. Bid now 86.46. Bid now 86.46, offered now 86.57. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen. They couldn't get through that 21 lots, and that does matter. Depth of market does matter. That's what pushes the price around. Nothing more important than volume. Nothing, no matter what anyone tells you. Maybe the Federal Reserve news release, that could be the exception. Bid now 86.46, but I assure you, even then, you can read the volume. 86.46 bid, offered now 86.58, chopping it up. Look at that chart, it's choppy. Nothing to do right now. Just sit on your hands, chill out, relax, nothing to do. Bid now 86.46, offered now 86.58, chopping it up, don't even do anything. Trading now 46 bid, offered 57. I mean, you did get a pretty decent drop there with that resistance holding in at 69. But they're going to test it again. They will test that again, and they'll probably push through it next time. I mean, it's bound to happen. Bid now 47, offered now at 57. Ladies and gentlemen, we do advise you to subscribe to the channel. We only have 2 subscribers right now. Both are me, one's work account, other's personal. Get on in there. 47 bid, offered now at 57. And as always, before you ever make any investments or trades, you always need to contact your financial advisor. We are not financial advisors. We do not claim to be. We just take a look at Bitcoin. We can see the depth of the market, can see the important prices. We are not financial advisors. Do not begin to think we are. Bid now 57, offered now 57.99. Bid now 86.57, offered now 86.57. 39 bid. Look at that sell pressure after that 21 held. I'm showing you on the screen. That 21 lots. Still there. They were able to fill half of them, just over half. You know, started at 50. They took out 30, which is what? $240,000 worth. I mean, that's pretty big. Pretty big deal. Bid now 86.40, offered at 55. Bid now 39, offered at 55. Gotta get some water. Just real quick. Get some real quick water. 37 bid. So you think you can tell those guys from hell? 52 offer. Look at that. That bid just dropped to 30. They are getting killed after that 20 lot held. $30 bid. Offered now 51s. They keep moving it down. 30 bid offered now at 50s. 30 bid offered now at 50. 30 bid offered now at 50. 30 bid offered now at 50. My voice just got deeper. 30 bid offered at 45. 30 bid offered at 45. 30 bid offered at 45. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. 30 bid offered 45. Bid now 30 offered at 45. Bid now at the 50. It's coming back up. Bid now 45 offered 59. Don't forget there's that 21 lot up there, that's 69. They're probably going to test it again. Odds are they're going to test it again. So just don't forget. Oh. Third bid. Oh man, I get tired from these choppy markets. So brutal. Don't forget to Google us because we are up top there, ladies. Show me type Bitcoin Squawk. Guess who's up top? Yours truly. 35 bid off, now 48. $35 bid offered 47. 35 bid offered 49. But you know, we have to come here. Even if we're bored, even if we're tired, we still have to be here for you. That's our commitment. 35 bid offered 49. $35 bid offered 49. Choppy. You could read the news, but it'd be useless. It's choppy trade right now, ladies and gentlemen. $35 bid offered at 49. It is brutal right now. Huge wide market. If you're trying to find a place to sell, as I mentioned, 86.68 was the place to do it. We don't have that luxury right now. This is not the time to sell the Bitcoin at 86.46. Why? Because we're in the middle of the range, and it could easily go back to 86.69 here in a second. It's not either a time to buy, because if you're going to buy, you're going to get filled at 46, and that's in the middle of the range also. If you could get filled at 86.30, I would pick up maybe a little bit. I wouldn't really be doing too much with it. 20-point spread though. You have no profit potential without a big move. Trade now 86.39 bid offered to 46. You're chopping it up here. $39 bid offered at 46. 38 bid offered 49. So 39 bid offered at 49. Bid now 38 offered 40s. At least they're tightening up the market. Now, if you want to buy it, this is a good opportunity to do it. When they bring the offer down and tighten it up to the bid, you could definitely buy some at 40 and maybe risk a 35 break. But you don't want to buy at 86.50 when the bid's at 86.38. It's just not really a good idea. Bid now at 39 offered 40. Bid now 39, offered at 48. Let's take a look at these logos, ladies and gentlemen. I think I like the I think I like the orange. Or the blue and orange. The first one, top left. It makes it easier to read. Bitcoin Squawk. Bitcoin's one word, one color, Squawk's the other. I think that's my favorite. Bidding right now 86.40, offered 48. I do like the one that I show on the screen right now the most, though. I wish I could get it hide the toolbar. Bid now at 39, offered 57. $40 bid. 39 bid now. Choppy. See, this is why I said you don't want to buy at 48. But when we had the offer down there at 40, that would have been a good time to buy. Now look at the bid. It's at 86.50. You know, so there's a strategy to trading. And it's all about understanding the bid and the offer. When you're doing short-term stuff, you have to understand it. Now look at the bid. It's at 86.50. You could sell your 86.40s that you bought at 86.50. There's 10 bucks for you. Enjoy. There you go. That's why you're here, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin Squawk. We are the luckiest to be here with you, but you are also lucky because we've been trained by some of the best in the business. We've been trained to broadcast by veteran broadcasters, 30 years of squawkings. You know, we are very fortunate to have that teacher that we've had. I know fund managers that are trading futures. You know, I know a lot of people in the industry, so this is why we are hosting this broadcast, because it's natural. It's what we love. 86.50 bid, offered now at 51. Again, you got to see, you had the 40 offer. Now that bid is at 50, so you have 10 bucks of profit, more or less. Again, always consult your financial advisor before trading. Contact. Where I don't want to see anything, hide toolbar. There we go. Bid now 86.50, offered 51. So if you want to sell, this is a good opportunity to sell with a tight offer. But I would not be selling right now because we're probably going to test at 86.69. And there's still, look over here on the right hand side, there's still 21 lots at 86.69. They love testing big orders. They just have a tendency to do that. Okay, 50 bid. You know, you got a little profit, maybe take a little off. You know, at 51, you bought them at 40, sell them at 51, at least partially. And then, you know, if they give you another 40 offer, buy some more. Right now the offer is 54. That's why you don't want to buy them right now, because the offer is so high. You know, I know you can buy strength, but it's such a choppy market, you're probably not getting many opportunities to do that. 86.47 bid, offered 54. It's a choppy market. Bidding at 48, offered 54. Bidding 48, offered now 54. $48 bid, 54 offered. Chop. Be careful. Nothing to do. Nothing going on here, ladies and gentlemen. 54 bid, offered 55. Tight market, very tight market. At this price, at this moment, that changes very quickly. Might see some sellers try and take advantage of that bid coming up so close to the offer. Got a little volume there. 3 lots at 55 being offered. Let's see if they can get through that. Bid now 53 offered 55. Hey West, if you could set up a trading account, please, that would be helpful. Just like $100 on a margin account at Kraken or something. Just so we can put some videos up. That would be very helpful, I think. I did tell you which logo also, so hopefully you can get that over to her, get that back. If you got any of the SEO articles back, please let me know so I can link them to the site. Bidding 53 offered 55. Bidding 53 offered 55. Bid now 53 offered 55. 54 bid offered now 55. 54 bid offered at 55. You know, if we do get that trading account, we don't need to do any big volume. I mean, we need to do 0.00001 Bitcoin. It's just something to say we put a position on. That could be enough, I think. 9 contracts bidding at 53, so pretty much 80,000. So that's pretty big size. And they're pushing them up. As we mentioned, we're probably going to get to test that 21 contract offer at 69. So you had a really good opportunity to buy them at 40. They're pushing them up now. It's at 58. If you haven't taken any off yet, you definitely want to consider that. 58 bid offered at 86.60. 21 lots there at 86.69 still. That guy's been a rock, whoever it is. Not moving. 59 bid offered 60. 59 bid offered 60. Very tight market. Bidding and offering the same price. They are coming up here, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't be surprised if we probed the new highs here. Just traded up to 67. New highs coming. They are coming. 67 bid offered at 68. Testing that 21 lots again. Keep an eye on that. 21 lots at 69. Still intact. 67 bid offered at 68. $67 bid offered 68. Still that 21 lots. They bring them down to 15. Looks like some of them gotten filled. They get through that, they're going to scream higher here. So they just took out a couple of those. Looks like they're trying to sell them a few right around this 69. But if they do get through those 15 lots that are remaining, we're going to be screaming higher here. Might see some sellers try and pile in right below that 69 again. $55 bid offered 68. We should have a couple. Wait, they need to publish this. We need to get ones that are published on their letter. On their website. From now on. That's the key. That's how you get better rankings, by having published your link, you know, your name on different sites, not our own. 86.56 offered at 66. What's going on, Tom? Same here. Just watching markets trade. Just watching some markets trade. That's all you can do on a Saturday when no one's coming in. It's a live stream. My website. btcsquawk.com.
That's yours?
Anything that happens on this screen gets displayed on the website. Now if you click on your email, it'll show up there in a second. It's being run through YouTube.
What is it? What do you?
It's a Squawk service. It's a subscription for traders. We don't have any clients yet, but something to do while I'm sitting here.
Who are you talking to?
To whoever's listening. No one's listening right now. Just talking to myself. You can see on YouTube here. It says 3 people are watching, but there's probably no one there really. They're probably on me.
So what is this, a fake stock exchange or something?
No, it's the Bitcoin market.
Coin.
Bitcoin, you ever heard of it?
Bitcoins? Gold coins?
Bitcoins, you ever heard of Bitcoin?
Yeah.
It's the Bitcoin market. Which I'm skeptical of the cash market, but they're about to release
I've got gold coins.
Well, this
The
is
U.S. Treasury.
It's cryptocurrency. You know, have you ever heard of that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure you will on the news sometime soon.
What?
Because it's about to become very popular. Bitcoins. It's delayed.
Cheating us.
Yeah, it's delayed. But there's like, the idea is people will come to our site, see the video, we give them news too, and then they'll come down here and subscribe for a week, $20.75 a month, or $150 for 2 months. No subscribers yet, but we just launched like a week ago. So, something to do. I just have it playing in the background to test the audio. Mute it. Turn it down. Obviously the granite comes first. If a customer comes in, I walk away.
Did you
Sell that girl?
Her?
Hmm?
Did you sell anything to her?
She said she's got a contractor who's going to approve it. Whether or not. I got her name and I gave her a quote, gave her my card. Her name's Margie Prindle. She wanted a quartz remnant, 1 cent cutout, that cabinet, hardware, 1420 is what I quoted her for everything. And then I gave her a quote for the tiling too, 6x6s, $5.50 a square foot.
All right, well, make sure you lock up and you.
It's already 4, isn't it? Jeez. You getting out of here? I'll probably stay around for
Yeah.
now. Have a good weekend.
So, sure you lock everything and shut the lights out.
Sure will. See you Monday.
Yeah.
What are you doing tomorrow? Anything cool?
No.
Yeah. See you later, Tom. Bid now 86.50, offered 49. So if you get another 40 offered, pick them up. $50 bid offered 57. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen, just like we talked about. 50 bid offered now at 97, 57. $50 bid offered 57. Nothing to do. Hands off kind of thing. $50 bid, 57 off. God damn it, Beyonce. 50 bid offered now at 57. Alright, West, you're gonna hear like 30 seconds of silence. I'm stopping this video. It'll save it on YouTube and we'll restart a new one in like 10 seconds. Hold on, don't go anywhere. It should restart automatically. Alright, there we go. We're back. Wes, you still there? I'm gonna stop it again. Hold on. Gotta wait till. How's it going? So West, here's the cool thing about this. When we're passing over broadcasters, we can switch. And we have like at least a minute and a half for the other broadcaster to take the controls. And it will keep it going. It won't stop over. Also, excuse me with the noise here. Also, where did we lose someone? There were 4 people in here. Did you get a... There might have been a legitimate listener in here that I may have just scared away because I'm not doing shit. But, this is good software. It's choppy right now. Bid now at 46, offered now at 59. You still there, West? Because if you're still there, that means we had a legit watcher in here. Bid now at 46, offered now at 50. Yeah, it looks like we had a legitimate listener in there. I probably should have taken it more serious. 46 offer. 46 bid, offered 52. Oh, we got 4 in here. So, if there is a user in here that is not West or myself, I just want to say hi. Welcome to Bitcoin Squawk, btcsquawk.com. Just want you to understand, we are here for you. We are here to look at Bitcoin for you to help you understand it. We're bidding right now at 86.46. We're offering them now at 86.52. Let's go over a couple dynamics of the Bitcoin market. First and foremost, if you're going to trade this, right now you're trading a cash market. And don't get me wrong, when I say cash, I'm not talking about paper currency cash. I'm saying it's the actual physical asset that you're buying, Bitcoins. Come mid-December, we're going to have opportunity to trade a derivatives market. We're not trading the primary market, the actual Bitcoins. We'll be trading a derivative of that. That is going to be a game changer. That's going to be very... Okay, I got to say something. We just had the offer at 86.20. When you have that that kind of opportunity, you can buy that. When the bid and the offer are together in the low end of the range, you can take advantage of that. For example, 86.43 is the bid now. 86.49 is the offer. It's not a good time to buy. But here we go. Look at that. 86.30 was the offer. That means you can buy it at 86.30. If you wanted to buy it at the market right now, you'd have to do it at 86.52. So when you get an opportunity to buy it at close to the bid, you want to do that. That's really a good strategy in Bitcoin, is try and just trade the spread. Because right now, look at it. It's 32 bid, 52 offer. If you don't want to buy it now because you buy at 52 if you're buying market, you don't want to sell it now because you're selling at 32, which is the bid. You know, you always buy at the offer and sell at the bid if you're hitting at the market. It's just the way it is. If you use a limit order, it's a different story. So we always advocate using limit orders. Always, 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 always use limit orders. Use stops too, but don't use a stop limit, because if you use a stop limit, you might not get a trigger. For example, let's say you have your stop at 86.30, a normal stop. That means if the market says it goes below 86.30, you're going to get stopped out. You're going to fill that market. If you have a stop limit and you have an 86.30 stop limit for both the stop and the limit price, let's say that the market goes down and it skips 86.30 and it trades 86.29. Your stop was triggered. It's saying, get me out, convert to limit order, exit at 86.30. But what happened is we skip the price. You're all the way at 86.30.29. Your offer is at 86.30, but it's not going to get filled. Not much of a stop, is it? Stop limits are for entry, not for exit. Stop by themselves are for exit. And why would you want to use a stop limit? Here's why. Let's say right now the market's at 86.51, offer bidding at 86.33, and you say, okay, I'm going to buy, but not in any of this garbage chop trade that's taking place. So you say 86.65 is a good buying area if we can break out of it to the upside, or 86.30 is a good sell area. So you say, I'll put my buy stop limit at 86.60. That means I will buy if price gets to 86.60, but I will only buy at that price. For example, if it jumps up to 86.65, you're not going to buy it there, or 86.70, you're not going to buy it there. But if you get a breakout, market chops around the 86.60 level, you get filled, and then you're out of the range trade. It's a good range trade strategy. Vice versa for the downside. You break 86.30, you have the stop convert to a limit, become short, and then you exit with the stop order. Alright, so that's just a couple strategies. You use that in futures. You can apply it here also, the cash market. This market's so much choppier. So your bid's at 86.44, you're offered at 53. Offers now 46. Now, if you saw the bid here, it's at 86.30. If you saw the offer come down to like 86.33, you probably would want to try and take advantage of that. You'd put a bid in at the offer of 86.33, probably the limit. I wouldn't do anything right now. 86.52 is a high price, 86.30 is a low price. You don't want to sell at 86.30, you don't want to buy at 86.52. But look, the bid's now 86.30. Offer's 51. If that offer slips down here to 31 or something right above that bid, you might want to try and take advantage of that with a limit buy order down there. Okay, so just keep that in mind. That's a viable strategy for trading, is limit orders. But look at it now, it's a 20-point market. Who cares about 20-point market when you're trading? Bid now 30, offered 49. Bid now 30, offered 49. Hey Wes, let me know if we get to 6. That would be super sweet. Bid now 30, offered 51. If we get to 6, that means we have some legit activity going on here. Bid now 86.30, offered 51. So don't do anything right now. Just sit on your hands, wait, nothing to do. In fact, you might want to just wait till CME Group hosts their futures, because that thing's going to be the bomb. That thing is going to be so tight. It's going to be the most legit form of BitCurrency right now. We are at 6 right now. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to be here with you at the Bitcoin Squawk. Just a few things about what we do. We look at the bid, we look at the offer, we look at the volume, we look at the news, we look at everything related to currencies, crypto and real. We are here for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, James at btcsquawk.com. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, West at btcsquawk.com. Bidding right now 86.35, offer now 86.53. We've got here some pretty good volume on the offer at 86.69. You got to keep in mind there were 50 contracts up there, 50 times more the price of 8,000. What are we looking at? Let me get the calculator out here. We're talking several $100,000 of supply that we had up there. 8,600 times 50. There was 430,000 worth of on one price at that 86.69. We saw the depth of market flash. It was 50. Now you can see it's down to 15. So they got up there once, they got up there twice. If they get up there again, you're probably going to get right on through that without any problem at all. We're probably going to be seeing some major high pricing on this product. If we can get through that 69 level, it's going to come very fast. It's going to be probably some of the best price action we've seen today. We've been chopping it up here for the past 3 hours from about 86.30 to 86.70. Every time they've made it down to 86.30, they've been scooping them back up. You can see how wide the market is with about a 20-point range there. Okay, you got the 49 bid and the 53 offer. If you want to take a quick short, you do have a close offer, a close bid. So you can sell at a reasonably competitive price relative to the recent chop we've been doing. But the long-term trend for this product has been higher, so let's not forget that. If you're getting short right now, you got to be quick to get out if you're losing them, because this thing could scream higher without notice. I mean, we could be looking at 8,700 easy tomorrow night. Hell, by tonight. 86.49 bid offered, now 86.53. We are looking at a little tight range. We've seen that when they get tight here, they usually make some action. So get ready for some action here on the Bitcoin market. 86.49 bid offered, now 86.53. 86.49 bid offered, now 86.53. 86.49 bid offered, 53. 86.50 bid. We are looking here. They're pushing that bid up. They've got some big offers there at that 69, 15 lots still, down from 50. They did get up there, and they look at the chart here. You can see how they kept testing that 50 level. Excuse me, that 50 lots. First was right here, and they started at 50. They took it down. Okay, then they came back down. They went back up, took it down to 20. Now we're down to 15. And if they get up there through that, watch out. It's going to be some major buying pressure. It's going to be huge. 86.50 bids are coming in. They're really trying to put a firm footing in here. But keep in mind, you are looking at a market that's largely range bound. So the fact that the market's tight right now, 3-point bid offer spread, could warrant some action on the the sell side right around now. Because here, you think about it this way: 86.53 has been the bid for probably the past, been the offer for the past hour, but the bid was at 30. You always sell at the bid, and you buy the offer if you're doing market. So if you're looking now at the 50 bid, okay, look at that. 53 bid, I just saw a 69 offer flash. That's a perfect example of why you don't want to get short. 86.66 offer. If you have a short, you might want to rethink that right now. Like I said, you have to be very quick on that short side, because this thing is so thin that they can take off in an instant. But a good time to get a short on is when the bid is closer to the offer. You know, anytime you're going to put a position on, you want to do it with a tight market. Ideally, you're going to buy when you're at the low end of a range and it's a tight market. Ideally, you're going to sell when it's a high price and a tight market. This is a relatively high price compared to the past hour, meaning we've been pushed up to 86.53 and we've kind of been dropping down. So that's what I mean by relatively high price. But in the scheme of life in the Bitcoin, it's a bull market. I mean, this thing's been screaming higher, so I would be very hesitant to sell. I'd be looking to buy dips more than anything. 86.67 offer flashes. Look at that. That's not what you want if you are short, because that means the next place this bid goes is 86.65 if that offer holds. And look at that. We just get a trade up there at 86.66. Be careful, ladies and gentlemen. That means they just pushed a bid up there. In order to have a trade, you have to have a bid up there. We're right now bidding at 86.50, offered now at 86.66. So be careful. If they get through that 69, those 15 lots, good night to the sellers. They are going to push this thing up in a big way. Bidding right now at 86.50, offered now at 86.66. Bidding now at 86.50, offered now at 86.65. We're looking at 86.50, bid offered at 86.65. West, let me know when we hit 7. Bidding right now 86.50, offered now 86.65. 50 bid offered 65s. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to point out to you, we are here every day. Every single day. BTCSquawk.com. You might not have heard of us because we just started. but we are here and we are the best at this. We've been doing it a very long time. We've traded futures, we've traded spot foreign exchange. Now we're come to the Bitcoin market. We've been on the trading floor. We know what it's like. It's all going electronic, but those trading floors are fascinating. Very cool. 86.50 bid offered now, 86.65. I wish there was a trading pit for the Bitcoin, but there's just not. It's electronic. 86.53 bid offered now, 65. 65 offers right below that big 15 lots that are sitting there. You can see it on the screen here. 86.69, 15 lots. That has been there. We've been watching the market battle. That it looks to me like that is one trader, because when the 50 lots came in at one time, and then they stayed there. They kept up there. They took down to 25, took it down now to 15. The offer is 64. They're hesitant to bring that offer back down. The sellers are saying, whoa, 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 I'm going to have to get a better price. This market's been creeping up. I'm going to have to sell at a little bit higher price. Let's try that resistance, that 69 resistance. Well, they don't know that the more they test a price, the more likely it is to break. And that is a fact, ladies and gentlemen. We are offering them at 64, bidding now 53. Bidding now 53, offered now 64. Bidding now 86.53, offered now 64.96. Bidding now 53, offered now 64. 86.53 bid, very light contract size. We're talking fractions of a contract. 0.07 at 53.1, 2 lots at 53.11. Offered now 57.2. Volume is light of 0.3. We do have one lot come through flashing at 58. Now it's 1.8. So we are seeing here 57 offered. Ladies and gentlemen, they are chopping them up a bit. 53 bid offered now 57. Let's take a look at some news, ladies and gentlemen. As always, we are here for you every day. We look at prices, bids, volumes, offers, volumes, prices, volumes. That's what we do here every day. We also look at news. What is going on in the world? We saw some exports out of Mexico, oil. Crude oil exports did rise. We've seen some issues out of BitMEX. They had some issues with one of their Tether currencies being stolen, about 30 million there. What else is going on? Let's take a look here, ladies and gentlemen. We got some upcoming releases on Friday. We have the United States employment situation, Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That is going to be a big time for markets. They'll be moving the S&P, they'll be moving the Dow, they'll be moving the dollar, which you can expect they'll be moving the Bitcoin if that dollar's moving. 53 bid offered 64. Bid now 53 offered at 64. Let's take a look here what our Reuters, one of our favorite sources, is showing on headlines today. Probably nothing major. It's a Saturday. Everyone's kind of relaxing. Oh, well, you know, you've got your gunmen in Egypt attacked carrying an Islamic State flag. That is ridiculous. Japan Coast Guard finds body of dead male suspected from North Korea. That is sad. Reuters is a little too gloomy for me today. Let's maybe find something less death related. 57 bid offered 78 here on Bitcoin. Bidding right now 57, offering them at 64. Take a look over here at Bloomberg, ladies and gentlemen. We got a bid right now 57, off them now 64. We are seeing a little bit of chop up here, but get ready. If they get through that 69 level there, still 15 lots there. If they get through those, it is going to be game over to the sellers. They're going to push through that without much hesitation. It will be quick. It will be painful. If you are short, be quick and gracious with exiting, even if it's a small loss. That beats the heck out of a big loss. Taking a look here. Abu Dhabi's ADNOC seeking up to $2 billion with unit IPO. Retailers see victory on Black Friday. Jeff Bezos exceeds $100 billion in net worth. Justice has a case on AT&T and Time Warner. Don't you just hate those antitrust suits that killed Microsoft for a minute? Now they're trying to go after AT&T, Time Warner. We're talking in early 2000s for that Microsoft case. But pretty quiet, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty quiet right now. Bidding now 57, off from now 63. That's pretty much a characteristic of the weekend. Most products aren't even trading now. S&P is not trading. Dow Jones is not trading. You know, we do see the currencies trade on a very limited basis. Not many traders actually have access to weekend currency trading. usually you have to have a lot of size, and they're usually off the book transactions. You know what I mean by that is you're not seeing it hosted by CME Group. They're closed this week. 57 bid offered now 62. And when I say this week, I mean this weekend. Bid now 57 offered 62. So not much going on here in the headlines, and you know it's expected to be that way for the rest of the day. To be honest, bid now 57 offered now 62. Hey West, what are we at right now? Bidding right now 57 offered him now 62. Hopefully we make it up to 7. That would be excellent. Bidding now 57 offered 63. 57's bid offered now 62. So they're chopping it up, but be careful. It's going to take just a very little pushing before that 15 line of offers at 69 goes away. Again, we are happy to be here with you today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate. You can email us, james@btcsquawk.com. If you're on our website, btcsquawk.com, you can use the chat, which is embedded inside the news. You can also use YouTube and leave any questions, comments, and concerns you may have there. We can tell you about ourselves if you have any questions. We are experienced traders, although we recommend you always contact your financial advisor before placing a position. We are not trying to get you into any specific position. We are just here to provide analysis of the market. Bid now 57, offer now 63. Choppy market right now. We've got 2 lots bidding now at 57. Bidding now 57. Offered now 63. Or feel free to tweet us at btcsquawk.com. Excuse me, BTC Squawk. We do keep it simple for you, ladies and gentlemen. BTC Squawk, Bitcoin Squawk. Bid now 57, offer now 63. Bid now 57, offered now 63. It's a choppy environment for the time being. Overall, okay, look at that offer. It just flashed up there. For a second, it went above that 69. Now it's back down to 86.57. Bid and the offer are at the exact same level right now. So it's a tight market. So usually something's happening when you start to see the market get tight. That's just a fact. When you see the bid and the offer get close like that, they usually will show some action and pick a direction here, because you'll get some new trades coming. 86.57 bid offered at 86.63. 57 bid offered at 63. 62 offer now. Best offer 62.9. It is a pleasure to have you with us, ladies and gentlemen. We are here every day for you, streaming live audio and video on the Bitcoin market, which is going to have a futures exchange here in the very near term. Up 0.3% on the day. Bid now 57, up here a little bit from that 57 even now to 57.2. Very small volume. You do see 12 lots there at 38. So you got 12 lots at 38. So if you could put a buy order in at 86.38 with a limit, that would be reasonable, and maybe a sell limit at 86.68, you know, because you still have that 15 lots at 69, as you can see right here. That would be bracketing the market. There's really not much to do right now. It's choppy. It's very choppy. You got a 57 bid, you're offering at 63. 57 bid offered now 63. West, let me know if we get a user change count. 57 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered 63. Choppy. Not much to do here. 3 lots, 1 lot, no lots at 63. Now it's 63.03. 2 lots there. 1.4. 2 lots again, 63.03. 57 bids are holding, ladies and gentlemen. It is choppy. You just gotta wait. They're either going to get through the 69 now, or they're going to come back and test the 38 area. If you want to get short, I would, you know, I'd be careful, but you could do so if the bid gets close to that 63 level. Like now, 63 bid, you could probably get a little short going on right now. But be careful. If it gets up through that 67, you might want to bail real quick, because it's probably going to be a pretty aggressive pop here. We got a 57 bid offered at 63, but like I said, if you start to see that bid flash at 63, like we did just a few moments ago, you might be able to get a couple sells off in there. I wouldn't sell at 57. You know, that's where you'll be hitting the market if you do market orders. Never, ever, ever, never, 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 ever do a market order. That's the worst thing ever to do. 57 bid offer 63, especially in this market. They will literally take advantage of you if you are doing a market order. It will just take points from you. 57 bid offered 63. Only limit orders. 57 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered 63. West is going to be taking over the broadcast here at around 5 o'clock. Bid now 57 offered at 63. Bid now 57 offered at 63. Bid now 57 offered now 63. Bid now 57 offered 63. Chopping it up. Like I said, I wouldn't sell at 57, but if your bid gets to 63, you might have an opportunity to take advantage of that. 57 bid offered now 63. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen. Chopping it up. Oh, excuse me. 57 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered 63. Gosh, this is a choppy market. My goodness, it's a Saturday though. That's exactly why. 57 bid offered 63. 60 bid. Come on, let's see some action, Bitcoin. Come on, give us some action. These are such small bids though. It's not even a full contract. There's 2 contracts at 60. I guess you could call that a good size. 16 grand. That's nothing. 58 bid offered 63. 58 bid offered 63. 57 bid offered now 63. 57 bid offered 63. Also, West, we're going to need some internet over at the crib. I'm at the office right now. 57 bid offered 63. You're going to have to take over the broadcast here at 5. 86, 57 bid offered now 86, 63. 57 bid offered now 86, 63. We are talking 57 bid offered now 63. So again, we talked about if they got that 63 bid up there, you could lighten float a little short, but now the bid's at 57, so that opportunity hasn't really presented itself. 2 lots at 57 bid offered now 63. Small size, 0.05. Nothing happening here. There's no news. There's nothing of real importance today. That's why you're seeing a lot of sideways trade. Bid now 57 offered now 57. Bid now 57 offered now 63. Bid now 57 offered 54. Oh, whoa. 63 offer again. 63 bid. If you want to float a short, you have an opportunity again. 63 bid. They are bidding and offering the same. If you want to try a short right now, this might be a good time to test the waters. But keep in mind, if they get through that 15 lots that we have at that 69, it's going to be screaming higher. But you are right up in that offer territory right now. You could float a short here if you want to get a little bit of a short going on. But be quick, be nimble. If they push up even the slightest, you'll want to abandon for a small loss. 15 lots are offered at 69. That's some protection for the shorts. That they've got that big order there. It was 50 initially. They couldn't break it. So you got that 15, but they're getting close, ladies and gentlemen. You might see a little bit of selling at that 63 bid that we just saw, back down to 60 bid. So you can see they are pushing it down a little bit. 59 bid. So they're using that mentality that I just discussed. 53 bid. So again, you had an opportunity to sell to 63. Now the bid's at 53. That means if you're going to sell market, you're going to be doing 53 sale. That's not a good time to sell. The time to sell was 15 seconds ago when it was 63. Now what you do is you put your buy limit to cover your short at 53. So if the offer comes to where the bid is, then you take $10 of profit just like that. That's how you scalp. Bid now 53, offer 63. Bid now 53, offer now 63. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen. Very choppy. No news this weekend. No planned releases. No more terrorist attacks, for the love of God. 53 bid offered at 63. Trading now 86.53s. Bid now 53 offered at 63. Chopping it up, 10-point range. Chopping it up now. We got a 53 bid offer now at 63. Bid him now 53 offered 63. Bid him now 53 offered 63. Choppy. Nothing to do here right now. Bid now 53, offered now 63. Bid now 53, offered now 63. Chopping it up, ladies and gentlemen. Just keep an eye on this 69 resistance. We are at a critical juncture here. If they don't get through it here soon, they're probably going to drop them. And then your next real territory for support's around 86.30. You know, they're gonna get tired of trying to rally here in a couple minutes. They'll probably slip them down if they can't get through that 69 resistance here in a couple minutes. Don't get me wrong, they're gonna get back to it, but not before they probably test the 86.30 area. 53 bid, 62 offer, 62 trades, 63 offer now, 63.1 offer now. 53 bid offer now, 63. A little bit of chop. A little bit of a chop trade taking place now. 53 bid offer now, 63. Bid him now, 53 offer, 63. Chopping it up right now, not much activity taking place. 53 bid offer now, 61. 54. Now, here's a 54 offer. If you sold them at 63, you got your profit. Now, get out of them at 54. Partially, at least, take a little off the table. But like I said, they're probably going to slip down here just because they're tired. $52 bid offered 61. Bid now 52 offered at 60. Bidding 52 offered 60. Bidding 52 offered 60s. Chop. $52 bid offered 63. Nothing to do here. Bidding 52 offered 60. Bidding 52. Chop. Chop, chop, chop. West, what are we looking at? How many right now? Bidding now 52 offered 60s. 63 offered. Bidding 52 offered 60s. Bidding now 52 offered at 59. $52 bid offered 59. $52 bid offered 59. $52 bid offered 59. 60 bid. 63 offers some chop. Alright, we are looking at 59 bid. They did come back up. It's so choppy right now, it's almost painful. $54 bid offered 63. 54 bid. Back to that range that we had. $52 bid offered 54. $52 bid offered 63. Bid in 52 offered 63. $52 bid offered now 63 still. Bid in 52 offered 63. Bid in 52 offered 52 now. Zero action. Choppy, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very choppy. $55 bid, offered 62. 55 bid, offered now 62. 63 now. West Odell's going to be taking over the broadcast here in about 12 minutes. Bid in 55, offered 63. Bid now 55, offered at 63. Come on, give us some action, Bitcoin. Been holding a 10-point range for the past 30 minutes. Enough is enough. Volume's been pretty light also. If we get through that 69, when we get through that 69 level, they're going to scream higher here. Bidding at 86.56, offered now 86.63. $63 offer. Holding tight. 86.56 bid off now 63. Gonna do a little trick here with the 63 offer. Trade now with the 55 bid, 59 offer. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Bid 54, offering 54 now. Bidding 53, offers 54. 86.50 bid offered now 59. $50 bid offered 63. Alright, so they're widening it up here. It's going to give us some opportunities. In particular, if we see the offer come down to this 50 level, could be a great opportunity to buy some. Again, if the offer slips down to this 50 bid, could be a good time to pick some up. On the other hand, with that 63 offer holding strong, should the bid recapture the 63 area, we probably will see a little bit of selling pressure come in to take advantage of that high price that has not really been able to be pushed through. We did have a run below 86 even earlier today, 8600. It was very short-lived and they bottom on the dip, keeping in mind that this is a long-term bull market. 86.57, now 86.50 bid. 63 offer, 50 bid. 50 bid. 50 bid offer, now 63. $50 bid offered now 60. Bid now at the 50 level, offered now at the 58. Bid in 51, offered at 58. Bid now at the 51, offered at 58. Bid now 51. Excuse me. 51, 50 bid now. Bidding now 50s, offered at 59. Again, West Odell will be taking over here at 5 p.m. Eastern, 7 minutes till that time. 51 bid offered, 59. Just want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, we are Bitcoin Squawk. We are always here for you every day. James at btcsquawk.com, West at btcsquawk.com. We are here. Just want to point out that we have this broadcast on our website. If you ever want to know when it's going, you can always check there. We also have the free news that's on our website in the chat form. We also have access to a private group paid for weekly, monthly, or bi-monthly. And it's very affordable, and you'll get a lot of attention from us. It's all basically taken care of through email. We send out special video links when the time comes. We send out special briefings in the event of major events. We also give you access and priority to our emails. We are looking now 51 bid offer now 86.58. Just want to remind you, you can check that out at btcsquawk.com. You know, it's a pretty great website just to go through it. You've got the video, you got a single page app for the most part, you've got the news, you've got the features, images, pricing, where you can subscribe, and again, always correct email is got to be put in here. You get $20 a week, you'll get special email access with a daily email coming to you. And just keep in mind, when you do ultimately subscribe, you have to put in the correct email so we can properly give you access to that. You can log in or you can just pay with a credit and debit card, and that will give you the email location right there. Okay, so just type in your email just like that, very simple, and fill out the rest of the information, and you will be shortly thereafter greeted with private content. And we appreciate you coming in and joining us here. As always, my name is James Shelton. We are looking at 86.51 bid, offered now 86.59. Pretty choppy market. Again, keep in mind that 86.69 resistance. That is huge. If they do get through that, we are talking some very aggressive buying that's probably going to be taking place after. We're bidding now 86.51, offered now at 86.59. Bidding now 86.51, offered now 86.59. Offered them now 59. It's chopping it up right now. Chopping it up. Chopping it up. Big time. Chopping it in a big way. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at a 63 offer. Looking at some chop trade. Bidding right now 50s. Bidding right now, we are at the 50s. 51 bid, offered 59. 51 bid, offered him now at 59. West, how many are we at right now, by the way, users? 50 bid, offered now 59. Chopping it up. 51 bid, offered now 59. Choppy. Chop, 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 chop. 51 bid, offered now 59s. Bid now 51, offered now 59. Alright, I'm going to hand it over to West Odell. Thanks for joining us at btcsquawk.com. West, just to give you a rundown, last night you were already connected to Twitter, so just open it up and hit start streaming. I'm going to stop mine now. So just go in there, open it up, hit start streaming. West Odell's taking control now. I'll be broadcasting for the next couple hours. West, I need that internet soon, man. Alright, love you guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.